Ever wonder why some people snore? Well, it happens when the flow of air through the mouth and nose is blocked while sleeping. This blockage can be caused by various things, like relaxed throat muscles, excess throat tissue, or even nasal congestion. When air can't move freely, it causes vibrations in the throat, leading to that familiar snoring sound. Sometimes, snoring can also be a sign of a more serious condition, sleep apnea, where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. So, whether it's due to a stuffy nose or something more serious, understanding why people snore can help find ways to sleep more soundly and peacefully.